Are you ready for a chance to own 10 acres of pure Indiana countryside? Imagine waking up every morning to rolling green hills, the sound of birds in the trees, and wide open space that's all yours. This cedar home has everything: character, land, barns, and endless potential. And the best part? It's selling at auction, which means it could be yours for an incredible value. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home has been so well cared for, and the details make it stand out right away. Step inside and you'll see the spacious main floor primary suite with big walk-in closets, perfect for comfort and convenience. The living room is anchored by a dramatic stone fireplace that stretches up to the ceiling. Just picture cozy nights here in the heart of your country retreat. The kitchen and dining area are bright and welcoming, ideal for both everyday meals and entertaining friends and family. Upstairs, you'll find 2 more bedrooms and a full bath, giving everyone their own space. And then there's the walkout basement, a blank canvas just waiting for you. Whether you finish it into a game room, guest suite, or extra living space, the possibilities are wide open. But it's not just the house that makes this property special. The outbuildings add so much value. The oversized 3-car garage includes a loft that could easily become an office, workshop, or even a private in-law suite. And if you love animals or dream of having a hobby farm, you'll appreciate the 1,440 square foot pole barn, complete with a horse stall and plenty of room for livestock or equipment. Step outside and the land speaks for itself. With 10 acres of rolling fields, mature trees, and wooded retreats, this property offers both beauty and privacy. Whether you want to ride horses, garden, hike, or simply relax with views of nature all around you, this is the kind of place where memories are made. And here's the exciting part. This property is going to auction on September 20th at 10 a.m. It's selling as is, where is, with no contingencies. That means someone is walking away with an incredible opportunity. Will it be you? Don't miss your chance to make this Indiana homestead yours. Come bid, come dream, and come see what's possible on these 10 acres of pure countryside charm.